Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I wanted to show you a quick little project I'm working on for my wife. She told me she'd like to have some undermount lighting, cabinet lighting. So I thought, well, I'll go one step further and I'll put it on a passive infrared motion detector. So what I've done, I've just put SMD 5050s, and as I walk closer, that was just me getting in view of the PIR. And what I've done, I've just used those Romex staples, those big long staples, and I've just undermount SMD 5050s in there. And I've left all these wires exposed. I've just tinned them up so I can show you what I've done. Here's the passive infrared motion detector. And you can put a blinder, and I've experimented with putting a little black tape right here, and you can put a blinder right here and it works well, but I took it off just for the video. And it would allow you to, it would only activate the lights when you got close enough to actually be working on the counter space. And this is just a temporary duct tape until I've made sure that everything is working like I want it, and I just wanted to go through the wires and show you what I've done. This wall wart that you see right here says it's 12 volt 1 amp, and if that was the case, that would be 12 watts. Volts times amps equal watts. But this actually gets almost too hot to touch, so I'm going to have to replace this with one with a higher amperage. Supposedly, these SMD 5050s only pull 2 amps per 5 meter roll. Well, this is not near 5 meters, this is 1.6 meters. And that leads me to believe that this cheap Chinese wall wart is either improperly marked or it's just not being able to handle the load that it says it should. But very simply, this is the wire coming from the wall adapter, 12 volt wall adapter. You have a red and black wire and a yellow wire coming from the PIR. Positive and negative from the wall adapter to the red and black wire of the PIR. And then out from the PIR as your positive source would be your yellow, and it gets the same negative going to this. So this red wire contacts the yellow, black wire contacts the same ground. And that's how it's done. This is just tinned up temporarily, and I'm kind of glad I didn't finalize everything because, yeah, the wall adapter is getting too hot. But anyway, that is how you make your under cabinet lighting activated on motion, which is not really motion at all. It's just a change in heat signature seen by that little eye right there. Thanks for watching.